Welcome to InvestorWeb, your hub for enlightening discussions on critical global issues. Here we strive to shed light on topics that matter, offering in-depth analysis and valuable insights. Our commitment is to educate and inform, ensuring you stay well-versed in key global challenges. Today we turn our focus to a grave concern that affects millions worldwide, yet remains largely out of sight. We're talking about modern-day slavery. Today we dive into a pressing issue often hidden in plain sight: modern-day slavery. First on our list, forced labor, a prevalent form of modern slavery. Imagine being compelled to work, not out of choice, but through sheer force, intimidation, or the threat of violence. This grim reality exists in various industries across the globe, affecting countless lives every day. In agriculture, individuals work long, grueling hours on farms with little to no compensation, often under the watchful eye of armed guards. Similarly, in the manufacturing sector, workers are trapped in factory buildings, producing goods for markets far removed from the harsh conditions they endure. The mining industry too is notorious for forced labor practices where workers, including children, excavate minerals in perilous environments, risking their health and lives. These workers are often the invisible cogs in the vast machinery of global supply chains. As consumers, the products we use daily, from the food on our tables to the electronics we depend on, might very well pass through the hands of someone trapped in forced labor. Forced labor not only violates basic human rights, but also tarnishes global supply chains. Next, we explore the grim world of human trafficking. This form of modern-day slavery involves the manipulation and capture of individuals through violence, deception, or coercion. Once entrapped, these individuals are exploited for various purposes, including labor and sexual exploitation. Imagine being promised a job in another country, only to arrive and find your passport confiscated, your freedom curtailed, and your life controlled by someone else. This scenario is a stark reality for many in the clutches of labor trafficking. They are forced to work under deplorable conditions, often in factories, farms, or construction sites, with little to no pay. Sex trafficking is equally abhorrent, involving the forced prostitution of men, women, and children. Victims are often lured with the promise of love or a better life, only to find themselves in a nightmare of abuse and exploitation. Human trafficking is a lucrative illegal industry, trapping millions globally. Thirdly, let's discuss debt bondage, an insidious trap for many workers. Imagine finding yourself in a situation where the only way to pay off a debt is to work, but the terms of repayment are so exploitative that the debt only grows larger no matter how hard you work. This is the reality of debt bondage. In this form of modern-day slavery, individuals borrow money for necessities like medical emergencies or essential living expenses. The lenders, often unscrupulous employers or labor brokers, then require these individuals to work off the debt. However, the twist lies in the repayment terms. Exorbitant interest rates and unreasonable deductions from wages make it nearly impossible to clear the debt. Workers find themselves in a perpetual loop where their labor only deepens their bondage. The work conditions are typically harsh, with long hours and minimal pay, further ensuring that the debt remains a lifelong burden. This cycle of debt ensures that freedom remains just out of reach for countless individuals. Moving to a particularly heartbreaking issue: child labor. Across the globe, millions of children are compelled to work in conditions that are nothing short of exploitative. In the dimly lit mines of the developing world, children with small, nimble fingers dig for minerals essential for global industries. These young miners, some as young as 5, face grave dangers daily, from collapses to chronic respiratory diseases. In the sprawling textile factories of Asia, children are often found behind looms, weaving for hours on end. The repetitive tasks not only cause severe physical ailments such as arthritis and vision problems, but also stifle their mental development and creativity. Similarly, vast agricultural fields employ an alarming number of children who handle dangerous tools and chemicals, tasks wholly unsuitable for their developing bodies. Education, the key to a brighter future, remains a distant dream for these young souls. Instead of classrooms, they are confined to labor, losing precious years of learning. Child labor not only robs children of their childhood, but also their potential. Another form of modern slavery is forced marriage. This distressing reality sees individuals, predominantly women and girls, coerced into marriage without their consent. It's a practice deeply rooted in cultural, economic, and social factors, often seen as a way to settle debts or strengthen family ties. In many cultures, the concept of marriage is not just a union between two individuals, but a strategic alliance between families. Unfortunately, this sometimes results in the commodification of young women and girls who are bartered like currency. The repercussions of such forced marriages are profound. Victims often face a lifetime of exploitation, are denied educational opportunities, and suffer from severe psychological and physical abuse. The issue is complex and entangled with many societies' fabric, making it a challenging problem to eradicate. However, recognizing it as a form of modern-day slavery is the first step towards change. We must advocate for laws and regulations that protect individuals' rights to choose their life partners freely. Forced marriage confines victims in lifelong exploitation and misery. In the realm of agriculture, slavery takes on a particularly harsh reality. Across the globe, countless workers find themselves tethered to fields and farms under conditions that starkly remind us of bygone eras of overt slavery. These individuals, often from vulnerable populations, are lured with the promise of steady work and acceptable living conditions. However, the reality they face is grim. Upon arrival, many are met with the shocking truth of their situation: extremely poor working conditions, negligible wages, and sometimes the complete absence of payment. They toil under the relentless sun, engaged in grueling labor from dawn until dusk. The oversight is strict, the freedom minimal, and the exit barriers high. These laborers are frequently deprived of their basic rights and dignity, facing threats and coercion that tether them physically and psychologically to their oppressors. It's a cycle difficult to break, with many workers entrapped for years, sometimes spanning generations. The food we consume might have a hidden cost: the exploitation of vulnerable workers. Domestic servitude remains a hidden form of slavery in plain sight. In homes across the world, many individuals find themselves coerced into working as domestic servants. Often, these workers are migrants who have been lured by the promise of a steady income and better life prospects. However, upon arrival, their reality shifts drastically. Their personal documents are frequently confiscated, and they find themselves trapped, unable to reach out for help due to language barriers and isolation. The daily life of someone in domestic servitude might involve long hours of work with no breaks, performing tasks ranging from cleaning and cooking to childcare, often without any days off. They live under constant surveillance, with their movements severely restricted. The psychological and physical abuse they endure can be severe, with punishments meted out for any perceived disobedience. Employers exploit these individuals under the guise of domestic help, while effectively stripping them of their autonomy and rights. This form of modern-day slavery thrives on secrecy and the social invisibility of the victims. Domestic workers globally face conditions that strip them of their dignity and freedom. Factories around the world also harbor a dark secret: bonded labor. In the shadows of booming industrial growth and shiny products, there lies a harsh reality often overlooked: the prevalence of bonded labor in the manufacturing sectors. This form of modern slavery ensnares workers, tying them to their jobs through an unpayable debt and coercion. Imagine workers, many in developing countries, who take a small advance or a loan as a part of their employment agreement. This debt, often inflated with exorbitant interest rates, becomes impossible to repay. Consequently, workers are forced to labor under severe conditions for long hours, with the elusive promise of freedom just out of reach. Employers leverage this debt as a tool for control, often manipulating records and inflating costs arbitrarily. This not only traps workers in a cycle of dependency, but also strips them of their fundamental rights and dignity. Such practices not only violate human rights, but also ethical business practices. Penultimately, let's shine a light on illegal mining operations. In the shadows of the world's insatiable demand for precious minerals, there exists a grim and often overlooked reality. Illegal mining operations sprawling across remote areas exploit vulnerable populations, coercing them into labor under deplorable conditions. In these unauthorized mines, men, women, and sometimes children are lured with the promise of earning a livelihood. Yet what awaits them is a starkly different scenario. They work long, grueling hours, delving deep into the earth without the most basic of safety measures. The risk of cave-ins, landslides, and fatal accidents looms large every minute they spend underground. Moreover, the lack of regulatory oversight means that these workers are exposed to toxic chemicals like mercury and cyanide, which are often used to process ore. The health implications are severe, leading to chronic illnesses and, in many cases, shortened lifespans. Thus, while the minerals they extract, gold, diamonds and rare earth elements, fuel global industries, the workers pay the ultimate price. The precious minerals extracted come at a high human cost. We've covered 10 harrowing examples of modern-day slavery. Each instance, from forced labor to illegal mining operations, exposes a grim reality that persists across the globe. These forms are not relics of the past, but active plights that millions face daily. The victims are men, women, and tragically even children, ensnared in exploitative systems that strip them of their freedom and dignity. Consider the vast networks of human trafficking, the depths of debt bondage, and the shadows of domestic servitude. Each story is a call to action, a reminder of the urgent need to stand against these injustices, whether it's through raising awareness, supporting legislation that protects vulnerable populations, or backing organizations dedicated to eradicating slavery. Every effort counts. Let's use our voices and our platforms to shine a light on these hidden horrors. Share this video, talk about these issues, and help fuel the global fight against slavery. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Investor Web for more insights and discussions. Together, we can make a difference.